Hi everybody, so this is gonna be a quick test just for fun. What we're gonna do is basically we're gonna shoot some fake 4K video with this BMPCC Mark 1, if I can say it like that. So for that I'm gonna shoot in RAW with the full dynamic range, film at 24 fps. So that's gonna be the settings for the Blackmagic, and then we're gonna shoot real 4K with the Fuji X-T3. So we're gonna shoot 4K, let's say the same 24 400 megabits f-log, so it's gonna look a bit more like the RAW from the Blackmagic, I think. Yeah, well, so anyway, to compare this, I have two Nikon 50mm E series. They are a bit different, but I think it's just a kind of generation difference, but they are quite the same. I've got the Metabones speed booster for BMPCC on the camera. So yeah, I'm just gonna mount the Blackmagic Pocket on top of the Fuji, and we'll do some test shoot outside. Thanks guys for watching. So here is the setup. Can't really see anything on the screen right now, but I tried to match the exposure. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna use Lightroom to grade and export my full HD footage to 4K. So yeah, sorry about the fact that I'm just filming my screen like a noob, but I didn't take time to look for a software for the record. Anyway, so we're gonna import stuff from, for example, yes, this one with the buildings. So I'm gonna make a specific folder for that. It's just gonna be called for select. So I don't want any renaming, no, yeah. Only into one folder, so that's it. Copy. Okay, so here we have all our frames from the footage I shot in RAW, which are so individual DNG files, so which looks really nice actually, for a bit of some strange color aberration, fringing or anything. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to do very basic grading, because I think it looks quite nice already, so I'm just gonna bump a little bit up the shadows and keep the contrast with the black a bit less. You can see the sky is not burned. Well, you can't see it on the video, but I can tell you it looks blue. Well, you see it later on the video anyway. So I don't want any what is it, sharpening or anything. Maybe just a bit, so when it's going to 4K, a bit less radius. Yeah, 20 color noise reduction. Not gonna touch that. Sharpening, I'm gonna keep it to 30 with a 0.6 radius. Keep the details alright. That looks quite good on size 1 pixel. So now I'm gonna select all my frame, Control A or A, and I'm gonna click thing there. So I'm just gonna have my Lightroom settings the same on all my frames. So now I have my settings synchronized on all the files. I will select all and export it to a 4K size. So what I'm gonna use is a new folder in my precedent one. So I'm gonna use custom name sequence and just custom text, start number 1, that's right. In JPEG, quality 100%, resize to 4K, so 3840 on the long side, 72 resolution, that seems okay. So now I have all my frames exported in fake 4K mode. So just in there, oh. So yeah, okay, looks quite good. Now I'm going to make a new Premiere Pro project. So new project, just gonna leave it there in my other, so it's gonna be test 4K BMPCC. Okay, so now I can import the file I made with Lightroom. So I'm gonna just select the first one and be sure that the image sequence is ticked. And here we go, we have our 4K video. So nothing's moving really on this. Alright, so that's the workflow, very roughly, and now I leave you with the second part of the video, with the comparison between this file and the 4K files from the X-T3 Fujifilm.